how I built Rock Natural Industries. Hi, my name is Raquel, or people call me Rock, and I am a beauty multi-hyphenate creator and the owner of Rock Natural Industries, which comprises of 3 businesses: hair and makeup services for photo shoots, weddings, and events. I own a hair accessory e-commerce business, seeing all the shorts on my channel, and I am building a community of like-minded individuals who are also beauty multi-hyphenate creatives looking for a way to navigate their passions. Phew, I know it sounds like a lot, but you are in the right place. If you're looking to find tips on how to comprise your overall brand, you're in the right place. When I first started my channel in 2014, it was a way for me to document my journey as a natural hair gal. And let me tell y'all, this is clip-ins. Okay, clip-ins have been saving my life. Let me know if you want to see a tutorial on this style. If you do, you can also head over to my Instagram or TikTok to check those out. In the meantime, I took a step back and decided that I have a mission bigger than myself. And my goal going into 2023 is to really step outside my comfort zone and build those connections with like-minded individuals to ensure that I am reaching a goal that's bigger than me. After much prayer and conversation, the man above, I know that I'm headed in the right direction. Sometimes being a multi-hyphenate, it can be overwhelming because you share what you're working on, what you're excited about, and I'm sure there's people who are saying, you're doing something else, something new, you're starting something new again. But don't let that discourage you from what you are called to do. There are a lot of beauty content creators, influencers who are considered multi-hyphenate because they are having to take the photos, record the content, edit the content, market. Those are all cross medium skills across different industries that you have to take on. So I sat down and said, okay, how can the things that I'm working on currently be tied into one overall mission? And that's how I landed on the industries, with the help of people around me like my mom and my friends and other conversations. And I feel good. I feel that when someone asks me who am I'm able to say 1 to 2 sentences that comprises of everything that I do. I'm not including that I'm an employee in there, because I am an employee, but I take what I learned from my employee job and implement that into my business. And it's just a good way for me to continue to make sure that my skills are growing professionally until I reach the people in the network that I am wanting to connect with. But I really hope you come along with me on this journey as we continue to grow and continue to navigate our passions.